In this video, I'll perform some transformation over the given file, which we will use throughout the project. And we will also use AutoML, MLflow model, Spark ML, AI Foundry over this transform data, not the raw data here. Here you can see in previous video, we performed transform number 1, transform number 2. Now I'm going to perform some more transformation on the same data set. And I'm going to use this transformation to convert month to mm in the contract column. Here you can see, if you go right little bit slightly, in this contract column we have month to month. I want to convert into mm. Why mm? Because this would be shortened name and I do not require so many names there, but only few NLP related tasks. So I'm going to convert this transformation over the given value. So what I'll do, I'll first perform importing part, import my PySpark libraries. With this PySpark, with this SQL functions, I'm going to import two things. First is when, which will create respective conditions. Second is the column. So I'm going to use df3 with df2 dot with columns. What's the name of that column? Contract is that name. With this contract column, I'm going to use when. With this when, I'm going to use column, and column is equal to contract, and with this contract is equal to month to month. Otherwise it's going to, from which text I need to convert, I'm going to convert with m, and this would be dot otherwise. With this otherwise, I'm going to use column contract, and eventually I'm going to display this one. This entire transformation will save into df3, which is a new df3. If you go down, this is gonna show everything here. Contract column. Yes, here you can see inside contract column we have 1 year and only. So this is going to provide the solution for long-term value. If you want to see only the unique value of this column, you can perform the distinct function as well. This is df3.select. Inside this column, I want to show distinct values. So I'm going to truncate is equal to false, which means this is showing all the values here. So here we have all the columns: 1 year, 2 year, and null. So these are all numerical values and unique values there. Let's perform some more transformation on the given file as it is. Now, inside this transformation 4, I'm going to perform in the payment method column. I'm going to remove the word automatic from all rows and display the unique values in the payment method column. If you go back here we have payment method and some automatic text is manually added here, or by mistake they have added. I want to same kind of pattern. So what I'll do, I'm going to import PySpark related files from SQL.functions. From import, I'm going to import first regular expression, and this would be regular expression replace function. Then I'm going to use trim, which will trim my text here, and then for the particular column, hit enter. I'm going to remove automatic path here. So for this, I'm having this value. This would be a automatic path. Here I'm going to remove automatic from payment method and trim white spaces. So what I'll do, I'll use this function from this previous df3 with column payment method. I'm going to trim regular expression replace with column payment method, and let's display unique values. So with this unique values, I'm going to use df underscore 4 dot select. Inside this, I'm going to use this payment. I'm going to use this, delete this one. With this distinct payment, I'm going to show trinket is equal to false. Let's display so that we can check whether these transformation has been done or not. Yes, you can see none of these classes, none of the classes are showing that value which we have removed here, automatic. So this transformation has been done over the given column. I'm going to create last transformation. This is creating a new column named monthly charges underscore GST, which contains values 18% higher than the monthly charge column for each row. So for this, I'm going to use this df underscore updated df4 with column, and monthly charges is a new name. With this column, I'm going to use this multiply 1.18, because what will happen when you are going to create this, for example, anything would be 15. So it would be 15 multiplied 1.5 means whatever we have 15 plus 15 multiplying by 0.5, which means you are multiplying by 1.5. So this means 50%. You are increasing this value by 50%. In a similar way, if you want to create 80% higher, so what you will do, you will create 15 multiplying by 1.18, which equals to 15 previous value with 15 multiplying by 0.18. When you will get mathematical equation, it will be equivalent to 1.18 eventually. Now go back to our code. Here we have the multiplication of this 1.18, and let's display this value. With this display, I'm going to update with this limit value. Final updated transformation we have here. Can you see? This is showing all the records with proper and clean transformation. So we have performed all 5 transformation over the given data, and let's move ahead with the next part of this end-to-end data engineering pipeline capstone project. Thank you.